Hello, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to stop someone from saving your snap. Maybe you send a snap to someone on your Snapchat and you notice that anytime you send a snap that the person or people used to save it. The first step you have to take is to actually take a snap. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to click on the last icon here. So you're going to see the different limits and time that you can set it. If you want to set it just 1 second, you just click on 1. So when you send this image to someone, it will automatically wait or view for 1 seconds, and after the 1 seconds the person will not be able to view it again. So guys, that is it on how to stop someone from saving your snap. If this video was helpful, please do follow Glide Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.